This how to 1 minute will show you how to generate access token in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on settings. And here click on apps and sales channels. Click on develop apps. Click on create an app. Enter the app name, app developer, email address select here and click on create app. Once the app created, click on API credentials and here you will get access tokens. So currently here we can see you don't have any access tokens yet. To get an access token, select your API access scopes. Now click on configure storefront API scopes and here you have to check all of these options. Now click on save and now click on install app. Install. Once the app installed, here we can see my API access token. So this is how we can generate API access token. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.